Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on the soffit. So we're taking out all of those rotten wood, and right above those soffits are some birds nesting inside. I understand from the workers that some critters like squirrels start eating away right there, and then the birds go up inside those holes and build nests all the way across to there. So I'm gonna be replacing all of this wood and then wrap it around with some metal siding so that critters don't go and make holes in the soffit again. You know, I'm sitting in the house and I hear all the birds nesting inside the ceiling. Yeah. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Noreen, and I'm just taking you around to show you what's being done to the soffit for today. So let me turn you around yet again and see. Doing a before and after. Oh, this is the nest?
Yeah.
Where you got it from here?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my gosh. Are they dead?
No, they're alive.
Can I save them?
I mean, if you go buy some worms or something, you might could save them, but I don't know.
You think if I leave them out here, the mama might just look after them? You think? Maybe leave them over that side there? I don't know what to do. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. So they were up here, right? In
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
Yeah. Oh man. These birds are babies. See? They don't have to open their eyes yet. Are they alive?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, ma'am. They're alive. Both of them.
Oh man. Okay. Yep, those are the birds that were nesting inside my soffit. Well, the front part here is looking good, so I don't need have to do anything here to the front. Let's take a look around the sides. And this is not too bad. I think I'm just going to tighten up this corner here and put some metal sidings around the corners so that squirrels and other critters don't go up there and make holes for the birds to come in. And I'm gonna be tidying up this corner as well. But it's kind of sad that those baby birds have to die. I don't know how to care for those birds. I don't know what to do. I'll have to probably go get cage and seeds or worms, or what do they eat? I don't know. What do the birds eat? You can put it down in the comments. Let me know how I can take care of baby birds. Hopefully the mama will come and take them and relocate them. Well, thanks for tuning into my channel. I haven't posted anything for a while, but I'm here now and you will get more content. So until next time, please like and subscribe. And this is Road to the American Dream. Bye.